Boy, what did I get out of the class? So much. It's really a great way of learning how to think about things. In fact, the things I've learned here, I've translated not only in my life, but in my patient's life. And in real life, I'm a physician, and I teach people coping skills when they come in stressed. And I teach them basically improv principles for coping, like yes and. Because you learn that no matter what life throws at you, there are no do-overs, the game is still going on. So you teach them how to yes and something. Whatever is thrown in there, whatever obstacle, you just learn to embrace it wholeheartedly, and you keep moving forward. So it's wonderful. Improv really is life. I've seen other improv classes. I've done improv at Burning Man and other places with different instructors, and this approach that Adam does, it's a safe place to do it. It's a very nurturing experience here. You don't feel that, oh my God, I got to be as funny as I can. You don't. You just learn how to be natural, how to think, how to get out of your head. It's a very comfortable surrounding here. It's family. It's really good.